Good afternoon, partners and teacher. Today I'm going to speak about the methodology used in the article Authentic Assessment in Literal and Inferential Reading Comprehension for University Students. In this article of qualitative research, where it is spoken of elaboration and use of the assessment to evaluate the reading comprehension of university students, the methodology used is the positivism. And how we can determine it? Because in the article is spoken the elaboration of assessment to qualify the reading comprehension of a group of students. This study is qualitative because it is expected to observe what is the reaction of the students group to assessment elaborate and based in reading and text. We can observe here in the article this part. In Indonesia, English is taught from the elementary level until the university level. Okay, this is a culture behavior that we can observe too. But the aim of the paper is to describe the use and the implementation of authentic assessment in literal and inferential reading comprehension. We can observe here that the teacher has to decide what a good reading test is. And the teacher has to know what appropriate model to make sure the student's comprehension in literal and inferential comprehension is. The component of the assessment are the following: fluency and reading speed, automaticity and rapid word recognition, search process, vocabulary knowledge, morphological knowledge, syntactic knowledge, text structure awareness and discourse organization, main ideas comprehension, recall of relevant details, inferences about text information, strategic processing abilities, summarization, synthesis skill and evaluation, and lastly, critical reading. Reading assessment should be based on real-world reading needs and activities. And now, here in this part, there is an example about the type of question that it can be elaborated to assessment the reading comprehension. We can apply to the participant three types of questions. The first question is this. The first class of questions is this, literal, where you can answer directly of the text. Then come the following sentence, inferential, the following question, the inferential question. In this case, in this type of question, we cannot answer directly of the text. We have to think more. And finally, the third type of question is evaluative. These questions are more difficult because we have to do a summary. Okay, taking in account these characteristics of this article, we can say that the methodology used is the positivism. Bye.